Thinking about upgrading your kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo with a trendy two-tone design? You're not alone. Homeowners in this bustling region are increasingly drawn to the chic and contemporary look that two-tone cabinets provide. But understandably, cost is a significant factor in any renovation decision. That's why we're diving into what you can expect to spend on this popular kitchen trend right here in Kitchener-Waterloo. In this article, we'll explore various factors that influence the cost of two-tone kitchen cabinets, from the choice of materials and finishes to the complexity of the design and installation. Additionally, we'll discuss how local factors, such as the availability of skilled craftsmen and regional pricing trends, play a role in your renovation budget. Whether you're considering a subtle contrast with muted tones or a bold combination to make a statement, understanding the costs involved can help you make an informed decision while planning your dream kitchen. Stay tuned as we break down everything you need to know about pricing and offer tips on how to get the best value for your investment without compromising on style or quality. Ready to transform your kitchen? Let's get started. Understanding the cost factors for two-tone kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo. When considering two-tone kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, several factors influence the overall cost. The choice of materials plays a significant role, as natural wood and custom finishes typically come at a higher price than laminate or MDF options. The complexity of the design also impacts the price. For example, incorporating intricate details or opting for a high-gloss finish can increase costs. Additionally, the size of your kitchen and the number of cabinets you need will directly affect your budget. Homeowners should also factor in installation costs, which can vary based on the complexity of the project and the contractor's expertise. Customization is another major cost factor. While stock cabinets offer a more budget-friendly option, semi-custom and fully custom cabinets provide the flexibility to achieve your desired aesthetic, but at a higher price point. It's important to balance your design aspirations with your budget. In Kitchener-Waterloo, the cost of labor can also vary, so obtaining multiple quotes from local contractors can help ensure you get the best value for your investment. Be sure to inquire about any additional fees that might not be included in the initial quote, such as delivery charges or disposal of old cabinets. Comparing local suppliers, where to buy affordable two-tone kitchen cabinets. When it comes to finding affordable two-tone kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, it's important to compare local suppliers to ensure you get the best value for your investment. Choosing the right supplier can make a significant difference in terms of cost, quality, and customization options. Several local suppliers offer a range of styles and finishes, making it easier for homeowners to find cabinets that suit their kitchen's aesthetic while staying within budget. One popular choice among Kitchener-Waterloo homeowners is to visit showrooms where you can see and feel the quality of cabinets firsthand. Local suppliers like the Cabinet Spot and KW Countertops offer a variety of two-tone options, allowing you to mix and match colors to achieve the desired look. Additionally, visiting these showrooms often provides the opportunity to discuss customization options with experts who can guide you through the selection process, tailoring options to fit both your space and style preferences. At Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys, we specialize in offering personalized solutions that meet your budgetary constraints without compromising on quality. Our team is well-versed in the latest design trends and can help you navigate the diverse range of two-tone kitchen cabinets available in Kitchener-Waterloo. By working with a trusted local company, you benefit from expert advice and the convenience of having nearby support throughout your renovation project. Custom versus pre-made. Which two-tone kitchen cabinets are right for your Kitchener-Waterloo home? Choosing between custom and pre-made two-tone kitchen cabinets can significantly impact both the aesthetic and the budget of your renovation project in Kitchener-Waterloo. Custom cabinets offer the flexibility to tailor every inch to your specific needs and style preferences, allowing for unique features like specialized storage solutions or a particular wood grain finish that complements your existing decor. This bespoke approach ensures that your kitchen is truly one of a kind, but often comes with a higher price tag due to the craftsmanship and materials involved. On the other hand, Pre-made two-tone kitchen cabinets are a more budget-friendly option, widely available in a variety of styles and color combinations that can fit most kitchens. These cabinets are a great choice for homeowners in Kitchener, Waterloo, or Cambridge who are looking to renovate quickly and efficiently. While they may lack the unique customizations of bespoke options, advancements in manufacturing have significantly improved the quality and design variety of pre-made cabinets, making them a viable option for many homes. However, the trade-off is less flexibility in sizing and finish, which could require some compromise on your ideal design. Budgeting tips: how to save money on two-tone kitchen cabinets in the Kitchener-Waterloo area. Two-tone kitchen cabinets have become a popular choice among homeowners in the Kitchener-Waterloo area, offering a modern and stylish look that can transform any kitchen space. However, the costs can quickly add up if you're not careful. To help you manage your budget effectively, it's important to consider various factors, such as material choices, design complexity, and the selection of local contractors. By making informed decisions, you can achieve the kitchen aesthetic you desire without breaking the bank. One of the most effective ways to save money on two-tone kitchen cabinets is by selecting a mix of high-end and budget-friendly materials. For instance, you might choose to use solid wood for your lower cabinets, which endure more wear and tear, while opting for a less expensive laminate or MDF for the upper cabinets. This combination not only preserves your budget, but also maintains a high-quality appearance. Additionally, consider the complexity of your design. Intricate features often require more labor and materials, thus increasing costs. Simplifying your design can significantly reduce expenses while still achieving a stylish look. How costs compare across Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge. When considering the installation of two-tone kitchen cabinets in Kitchener, Waterloo, and Cambridge, it's important to recognize how costs can vary significantly depending on the location and the characteristics of the homes. In Kitchener, where many homes date back to pre-1960s construction, you can expect the cost of two-tone kitchen cabinets to range from $12,000 to $18,000. The older homes often require additional work to update plumbing and electrical systems, which can push costs toward the higher end of the range. In Waterloo, with its predominantly post-1980s housing stock, the cost for two-tone kitchen cabinets tends to be more predictable, typically ranging from $10,000 to $15,000. Newer construction generally means fewer surprises during renovation, allowing for a more straightforward installation process. Meanwhile, in Cambridge, particularly in its historic cores of Galt, Hespeler, and Preston, homeowners might face expenses similar to those in Kitchener, with costs ranging between $11,000 and $17,000. These century homes often require careful updates to integrate modern amenities while preserving historical charm. Frequently asked questions. Q. What factors affect the cost of two-tone kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo? A. Several factors influence the cost of two-tone kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo, including the materials used, the size and layout of your kitchen, and the complexity of the design. High-quality materials like solid wood or custom finishes tend to increase costs. Additionally, labor costs can vary depending on the expertise required. Understanding these variables can help you budget effectively for your kitchen renovation. Q. Are two-tone kitchen cabinets more expensive than single-color cabinets? A. Two-tone kitchen cabinets can be slightly more expensive than single-color cabinets due to the added complexity in design and manufacturing. The use of multiple finishes and colors usually requires more precision in installation and potentially higher material costs. However, the price difference is often justified by the enhanced aesthetic appeal and modern look that two-tone cabinets bring to your kitchen space. Q. How can I save money on two-tone kitchen cabinets in Kitchener-Waterloo? A. To save money on two-tone kitchen cabinets, consider using cost-effective materials that mimic the appearance of more expensive options. Opt for semi-custom cabinets instead of fully custom ones to reduce costs. Additionally, comparing quotes from multiple contractors in Kitchener-Waterloo can help you find competitive pricing. Finally, keep the design simple to minimize labor costs while still achieving the desired two-tone effect. Ready to transform your kitchen with stylish two-tone cabinets? At Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys, Kitchener Waterloo, we offer top-notch services to bring your dream kitchen to life. Visit our Kitchen and Bath Reno Guys on Google or explore our Kitchen Cabinets Kitchener page for more inspiration. Book a free estimate today or call us at 226-894-0234 for a personalized quote. Let us help you create a kitchen space that reflects your style and budget. Visit kitchenandbathrenoguys.ca to learn more.